RCDOX is my super wing gray, and we put 2 RCDOX alpha motors on this. We bought RCDOX alpha motors before we found the Grayson Hobby RCDOX alpha motors. And these are not good motors. We have had lots of problems with these motors. But 2 of them on this plane with no exception. One of the 2 motors just flew up and then killed. Unfortunately, we put on the 3rd one and we got it to work. These motors are working pretty good for my winged dragon and giving us enough power. So we're enjoying the twin power on it and go for the